Hello students, how are you? Welcome to our online class. In our previous class, you learned about international class value system. Today we shall discuss about rounding of numbers. Okay, note it down. Rounding of numbers. Rounding of number means number means to find an approximate approx- approximate number. Approximate means the value is not actual or the result is close to the number is close to the result. Okay, we can round up the numbers in three ways. The first one is rounding up to nearest 10. While rounding up a number to its nearest 10, we have to look for the ones place. Okay. If the ones place contains 0 to 4, then its value will be 0. And if the ones place is from 5 to 9, then it will become 10. Or we can add 1 to the tens place. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in ones place its value will be 0. If 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 is in ones place, it will become 10. Okay. So let's take an example 27. 27 means I am expanding this 20 plus 7. We have to round up this place. So 20 plus in 7 it will become 10. So our tens place increased by one number. Means the rounding up of 27 is 30. Okay. Take another example. Suppose 72 or 73. We have to round up this one's place, and in one's place 3 is here, so its value will become 0. 70 plus 3 means 70 plus 0, and it will become 70. Okay, in this way we can identify the nearest 10 of any number. So we can find it out by with the help of number line. Suppose and number is I am taking 24. Okay, and I have to draw 24 on number line. First, you look 24 comes in between which number? 20 and 30. So, start from 20, then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30. Okay, our number is 24, and now you can easily identify that 24 is nearer to which number? 20 or 30? Yes, it is nearer to 20. Means the round up of 24 is 20. Okay, in this way we can know the round up value of any number to nearest 10. Okay, then we round up to then the next round up is nearest 100. Okay. The next comes rounding up to nearest 100. When we round up a number to the nearest 100, we have to look for two places, means tens and ones. Okay. So, let's write the formula. In nearest tens, I was writing one number, but in nearest 100 you have to look for two places, so I am writing 10, 20, 30 and 40. If the digits in tens place will 1, 2, 3 and 4, then its value will become 0. And when the digit in the tens place is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, then or 50, 60, 70 and 80 and 90, then it will become 100. Okay, then we will put 20 here and 100 place will increase by one number. Okay, let's take an example. Suppose 125. We have to look for, or we have to round up these two places. So 100 plus 25. 25 means how much is the value? 0. It will become 0. 100 plus 0 means 100. Okay. Take another example. 360. 300 plus 60. I am adding the number for understanding only, to understand you properly. 300 plus, when 60 is there, its value will become 100. Then the round up is the number is 400 now, and you can now identify that the 100 place increase by one number. Okay, so let's show it on number line. Suppose the number is 410. I have to round up 410. So 410 comes in between which numbers? 400 and 500. 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, and then 500. Our number is 410. Now look, 410 is nearer to which number? 400 or 500? This one is 500. 410 is nearer to 400. Okay. So its round up value will be 400. Okay. Our next round up is nearest thousand. Next round up is to rounding up to nearest thousand. Rounding up to the nearest thousand. While rounding up to the nearest thousand of any number, we have to look for 3 digits, means 100, tens and ones. Okay. So let's write the formula. If the 100 place is 100, 200, 300 and 400, its value will become 0. If 3 place I have written, or I have to round up, so I have taken 3 numbers. If 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900 is there, its value will become 1000. Okay. Let's take an example. Suppose 4296. We have to look for this 3 place 296, means it will come under this group, then its value will become 0, means 4000 plus 296. 4000 plus its value will become 0, then it is 4000. Okay. Another example. Suppose 6,25,865. It is a 6-digit number, but we have to look for these 3 place only. So 6,25,000 plus 865 and in 800 it will become 1000. Okay, then our answer will be 6,26,000. Okay, and it our 1000 place increase by one number from 5 to 6. Okay, let's draw a number on number line. Suppose I have taken here 1500. I have to round up 1500, or I have to show 1500 on a number line. First you have to think 1500 will come between which numbers? 1000 to 2000. 1000, 1100, then our last number is 2000. Okay, our number is 1500, means this number is nearer to 2000. So the rounding up of 1500 is 2000. Means here in 100 place 500 is there. 500 means it will become 1000. 1000 plus 1000 equal to 2000. Okay, in this way we can round up any number to its nearest tenth, nearest hundred, and nearest thousand. Okay, I hope you understand it properly and complete all your numbers from your exercise. See you in the next class. Bye.